What's up, everybody? Cyrano here, and today we are going to be looking at a Brilliant Stars booster box. If you caught the video last week, we opened one and we got some pretty fire cards. So anyway, I'm super excited to see what we're gonna get. As a beforehand, subscribe to the channel, like this video. To see other amazing content. We're pumping it out left and right. So let's go. All right, everybody, here we go. Pack number 1. Yeah, I'm still reeling about the super awesome cards that we got last week. I don't know if you guys saw that, but you should for sure check it out because we got some good ones. Okay. All right. First pack. Here we go. We have Steel Energy, Blunder Policy, Executor. We got Choice Belt, Electabuzz, Chimecho, Gibble, Turtwig, Trapinch, Reverse Hollow Trapinch, and right out of the gate. Ooh, not bad. All right, our first pack of the day, we get a Raichu V. Very cool card. I love this art here. So cool. As always, a friendly reminder, not that you guys aren't, but to sleeve your super cool cards like that. Oh, oh, that's so cool. All right. I will take that as some good first pack magic. It's so interesting to think about, like, and I think I said this last time, but, you know, what is the Pokemon Company standard for putting that V-Star, like, trump card, I guess? I don't know. Because sometimes it has, you know, sometimes it's got rares, sometimes it doesn't. I don't know. It's just weird. Okay, we got Executor, we got a Buizel, a Gibble, Trapinch, Execute, Starly, we got a Reverse Hollow Friends and Galar trainer card, and ooh, a Dusk Noir Hollow. We've certainly seen him a time or two. In fact, I think last time we got 2 of those, which is pretty cool. Okay. As a friendly reminder, I bust through these. There's no rhyme or reason. Man, they really did pack those in well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we got Fire Energy, Beartic, Tropius, Roseanne's Backup, Farfetch'd, Execute, Grimer, Sneasel, Bidoof, Reverse Hollow Dusk Noir, Dusk Clop, excuse me, and a regular Ice Cube. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. So what have you guys been pulling? I'm very curious. I went to the store the other day and man, it was crazy that, you know, there was no Pokemon cards at all. And so I was just it's really hard. Like I think I went to like Target or something Crawdont. And yeah, they were not there. Grimer, Shinx, Bidoof, Electabuzz, Hawlucha, Reverse Hollow Hitmontop, and a non-hollow Electabuzz. I could show you how I open these, but it's just not pretty. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we have Steel Energy, Grottle, Prinplup, Monferno, Snorunt, Clink. We have Dedenne, Pikachu, Duskull, a Reverse Hollow Druddigon, and a non-hollow Grimmsnarl. Ah! Oh man. Come on. You know what? I hate it. We're gonna have to do this. Oh man, that one was not is gonna put up a beastly fight. Man, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we've got Water Energy, Ultra Ball, Hitmontop, Magma Basin. We have Sock, Cubchoo, Dedenne, Farfetch'd, Duskull, Minccino, and ooh, we got an Entei-V. Ooh, man, these V's are just fire. My goodness. Look at that. How cool is that? That's very cool. I know I've said it before, but I'll say it again. Like just the caliber of the artwork is just so neat, you know? 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, you know, the old style is obviously great, but they just, you know, it just keeps getting better and better. Like, holy cow. Torkoal, Double Turbo Energy, Cast Form, Chimchar, Altoy, Axew, Nosepass, Reverse Hollow Professor's Research, and another non-hollow rare Mewtwo. Wait for it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Okay. All right, we have Sharon's Care. We've got Pachirisu. We've got Kindler, Burmy, Staryu, Carablast, Clefairy, Cherubi, the Trainer's Collection Ariados, and non-hollow rare, or no, holographic rare Empoleon. There's our V-Star. V-Star card. Let's see. Sleeve these puppies up. Oh, there we go. I'm also curious, what are you guys using to store your cards? Are you using binders? Have you guys using boxes? Right now I'm kind of using a combination of boxes and binders, especially for my cards that have the top loaders in them, or the cards that are loaded into the top loaders, I guess I should say. Yeah, because it would really be cool, you know, if when there's a product that comes out that can store those top loaders. So I know that there's some discussion that, you know, that you can use. I think I forget now, but anyway, there is things out there that can store those top loaders. But anyway, you get the idea. Staravia, Purloin, Milcery, Shinx, Impidimp, Golett, Reverse Hollow Magmar, and a Manaphy, non-hollow rare. Okay. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we've got Psychic Energy, Sharon's Care, Pachirisu, Kindler, Riolu, Burmy, Staryu, Carablast. I had to think about that for a second. Clefairy, Reverse Hollow Haluja. Ooh, okay. We got a holographic Moltres. Kantoian version. That's a cool card. Oh man, it just fell apart. I don't know what happened. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we've got Steel Energy, Cleansing Gloves. We've got Floatzel, Sigilyph, Shinx, Farfetch'd, Execute, Grimer, Clefairy, Professor's Research, and a non-hollow rare Manaphy. One, two, three. Oh. It's always a surprise, you know? Okay, we got Dusclops, Starmie, Cynthia's Ambition, Clink, Spiritomb, Axew, Impidimp. We got Magmar, Reverse Hollow Crawdaunt, and a Lapras. Okay. And there's our V-Star. Okay, interesting. Yeah, see, like, it's like that. Like, you know, reverse hollows are cool. Don't get me wrong, but, you know, it's like, I don't know. It's very peculiar, you know? This is what we're gonna do here. Oh. Okay. Wait for it. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we have Dark Energy. We have Team Yell's Cheer, Probopass, Chinchino, Baltoy, Snorunt, Nosepass, Dedenne, Cubchoo, Reverse Hollow Magmar, and a non-hollow rare Grimmsnarl. All right. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we've got Leaf Energy, Vibrava, Monferno, Gloria, Throw, Shroomish, Piplup, Turtwig, Sneasel, Reverse Hollow Cynthia's Ambition. Ooh! We got a Kingler V. That is a very cool card. I can rally. Every time I see Kingler, I think of the sound that he makes in the Pokemon the very first season, I guess. When he's Ashes. I love it. It's such a fun, such a great show, you know? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we have Electric, Sigilif, Morgrem, Icerola's Premonition, Corfish, Golett, Chimecho, Tomato, Chimchar, Minccino, Reverse Hollow Kindler, and non-hollow rare Wormadam. The Leaf version. Okay. 2, 3, 4. All right, we have Fighting Energy, Floatzel, Cafe Master, Hunting Gloves, Halucha, Buizel, Gibble, Trapinch, Castform. Oh, we have an Acerola's Premonition full art trainer card. And an Empoleon, another Empoleon, a hollow. Okay. Ooh, that's such a neat card. It'd be so cool to see like the way these cards are made, you know? Like I bet it's so cool to see, you know. Like from start to finish, you know, from, you know, however they get, you know, the paper, the cardboard that this is printed on, and then just everything after that. That'd be so cool to see. All right, we got Fire Energy. We got Luxio, Hot Helmet, Friends and Galar, Milcery, Carablast, Clefairy, Cherubi. We have Sock, Reverse Hollow Executor, and non-hollow rare Heatran. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we have Psychic Energy, Executor, Choice Belt, Staravia, Execute, Grimer, Clefairy, Bidoof, Electabuzz, Double Turbo Energy Reverse Hollow, and a non-hollow rare Flygon. Oh, look at that. Yikes. This is why I don't show you guys. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we've got Dark Energy, Friends and Galar, Weavile, Fracture, Trapinch, Castform, Throw, Piplup, Reverse Hollow Castform. Oh, you guys, we got a Ultra Ball Trainer Secret Rare. Ooh, very cool. I love that. Look at that shine. Oh my goodness, that's a pretty card. I love it, love it, love it. We got some good stuff today. Good stuff. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we've got Leaf Energy, Roseanne's Backup, Blunder Policy, Executor, Carablast, Clefairy, Cherubi, Sock, oh, and Corfish. We got a Reverse Hollow Mewtwo and a Breloom non-hollow rare. That's certainly one we don't see too often. Okay. All right, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we've got Lightning Energy, Acerola's Premonition, Hot Helmet, Executor, Bidoof, Electabuzz, Hawlucha, Buizel, Gibble, Heatran, and Ice Cube, non-hollow rare. Oh. Yeah, guess cards open, right? There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And Fighting Energy, Monferno, Fracture, Tropius, Impidimp, Magmar, Riolu, Burmy, Staryu, Reverse Hollow Gloria, and a non-hollow rare Magmortar. Go, that one cooperated just a little bit better. Okay, we've got Fire, Crawdaunt, Collapse Stadium, Claydol, Shinx, Farfetch'd, Execute, Grimer, Clefairy, a Reverse Hollow Sharon's Care, and ooh, we got a Professor's Research holographic rare. Very cool. I'll take it. Oh. There we go. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we have Psychic Energy, Grottle, Beartick, Prinplup, Turtwig, Sneasel, Clink, Spiritomb, Axew, Reverse Hollow Throw, and oh, another Mimikyu. Very nice. I believe we got a Mimikyu last week. That's a very cool card. Yeah, I love that artwork. It's so eerie. They do a good job. Who did the artwork here? Let's see. SK Yashinab. Very good work. All right. All right, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we got Water Energy, Magma Basin, Ultra Ball, Hitmontop, Ball Toy, Snow Runt, Nose Pass, Dedenne, Cubchoo, Reverse Hollow Floatzel, and a non-hollow rare Grimmsnarl. Not too shabby. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got Dark Energy, Clang, Torkoal, Double Turbo Energy, Trapinch, Gasform, Throw, Shroomish, Piplup, Trainer's Eevee card, and a Mewtwo. Okay, let's do this. Very cool. I'll take it. Ooh. Interesting. Ugh. Oh, I hate when this happens. Oh, that's the worst. I'll tell you what, one of these days, just gonna fly everywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I've got Leaf Energy, Sharon's Care, Pachirisu, Kindler, Gorefish, Golett, Chimecho, Chimchar, Minccino, Reverse Hollow Ultra Ball, and ooh, we got a Honchkrow V card. And that is, oh, that is very cool. Look, you got all the Murkrows just sleeping. Everybody's sleeping. That's so much fun. I like that card. That's such clever art. There we go. Looks good. Looks good. There we go. One, two, three. Ooh. It'll never not be kind of semi-exciting when we see one of these cards. Spiritomb, Purloin, Milcery, Shinx, Impidimp. We got a reverse hollow Starmie and a non-hollow rare Draudigon. V-Star card. Interesting. We certainly didn't get as many this week as we did last time, because I feel like we got a whole slew of... Oh, no, what's happening here? There we go. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we've got Fire Energy, Beartic, Fracture, Collapse Stadium. Oh. Electabuzz, Hawlucha, Buizel, Gibble, Trapinch, Reverse Hollow Farfetch'd, and ooh, a holographic Infernape. I don't know if we got one of those last time, but super cool nonetheless. Okay. All right, I got 1, 2, 3, 4. We have Psychic Energy, Prinplup, Dusclops, Cinccino, Fermi, Sock, Cherubi, Riolu, Starly, Execute, Reverse Hollow, and oh, you guys, okay. So I believe this is a rainbow rare. Oh, very cool. Rainbow rare, Roseanne's backup trainer card. Ooh, I love it. Look at the shininess. Oh my goodness. That is pretty. I think this is our like second rainbow rare ever, because I think our first one is a Blaziken rainbow rare, and then we have this one. I'll have to look again, but the rainbow rares are super cool. Two, three, four. All right, we got Steel Energy, Grottle, Prinplup, Monferno, Farfetch'd, Duskull, Grimer, Shinx, Bidoof, Reverse Hollow Baltoy, and a non-hollow rare Breloom. Good. Our Pokemon pile is getting a little big. Which not a bad problem to have. Okay. All right, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. We have Water Energy, Torkoal, Double Turbo Energy, Probopass, Weasel, Halucha, Throw, Magmar, Staryu, Reverse Hollow Training Gloves, and yes, non-hollow rare Golurk. Oops, look at that. Goodness. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we've got Dark Energy, Clang, Torkoal, Double Turbo Energy, Snorunt, Nosepass, Milcery, Cubchoo, Dedenne, a Reverse Hollow Muck, and a non-hollow rare Liepard. All right. We have 3 more packs. What do you say we save Shaman for the end, right? All right. Ooh. Okay. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a Leaf Energy, Berry, Clang, Gabite. We got Shroomish, Piplup, Turtwig, Minccino, Carablast. Ooh, we have a Trainer's Jolteon. Oh, we got a Dracovish V. Ooh, very cool. That was some good pack energy, man. Okay. Put that away. Dracovish V. And Jolteon. Oh, there we go. Jolteon. Very cool. Okay. All right. This is it. No, this isn't it. This is the second to last pack. But we're coming down to the barrel here. Okay. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we've got Fighting Energy, Marnie's Pride, Teamio's Cheer, Grottle, Buizel, Gibble, Trapinch, Execute, Starly, Reverse Hollow Cherubi, and a non-hollow rare Alchemy. All right, you guys. This is it. We can do it. May the odds be ever in your favor, or whatever. Oh. I've been doing it all wrong. All right. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. We've got Lightning Energy, Gloria, Staravia, Berry. Whoops. Golett, Chimecho, Chimchar, Minccino, Baltoy, Reverse Hollow Milcery, and a non-hollow rare. Oh no, holographic. Oh boy, holographic Torterra. Very cool. Okay, well, we did good this week. What did we get? We got, so these are, we got a holographic Torterra, we got holographic Infernape, holographic Professor's Research. Here, let's do this. A holographic Moltres, 2 holographic Empoleons, and a holographic Dusknoir. And we got a Jolteon, trainer's Jolteon. We got Dracovish V. We got Roseanne's Backup, Rainbow Secret Rare. We got Honchkrow V, Eevee Trainer card, another Mimikyu. We got a trainer, an Ultra Ball Gold Rare, Acerola's Premonition Full Art, a Kingler V, an Ariados Trainer card. We got an Entei, and a Raichu. All right, guys, that about does it. I hope you had fun. We got some really great hits. I'm so excited. I cannot wait for next week to see what we get. If you like what you see, like, subscribe. Again, do whatever you need to do to follow this great channel. We got content coming out weekly. We stream on the weekends. All that stuff will be in the description below. Other than that, I will see you next week.